What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a video. I know it's been a while. Happy New Year to everyone. First video of 2025, or maybe the second or third, just depending on when I upload this. But today, I want to bring you how to pair your vehicle to Apple CarPlay. Just so if you want to do it on your own, you get an Audi somewhere else, you know how to pair it on up. I will do the same thing for Porsche and for Mercedes as well. I'm also going to have another video, coming out where I'm going to show you how to switch between two devices and something fun, a little bit of a tech showdown coming here by the end of January. So stay tuned for that and look out for that. Okay, so first and foremost, I got my old phone here. We're going to get this thing dialed up here. So got my phone unlocked. I opened settings and you just want to find Bluetooth. So we're going to select Bluetooth. And then from there on your Audi screen for CarPlay, you have phone apps. We're going to hit that bad boy there. So you'll see wireless CarPlay here. Go to connected devices. There's already a phone paired here. If you ever need to delete a phone, just push and hold it, hit delete. Then hit new connection. It's going to start searching. So I'm in Bluetooth here. There's my iPhone. So I'm going to select Brandon's iPhone. I'm going to get a message. I'm going to hit pair, then allow. And then here in about 2 seconds, I'm going to get a prompt for wireless CarPlay. This phone's kind of been sitting, gathering dust since I got my new phone. So we'll see if it pairs on up. So there's use CarPlay. So I'll then hit use CarPlay. Come to my Audi MMI. Hit yes, continue. And then here in just 2 seconds, it will turn green. And then bada boom. So here is my Apple CarPlay. Okay, I'm going to hit mute there. So I have everything in here. I can go into my, sorry that this is a little fuzzy here. There we go. My phone, my Apple Music, my maps, messages, now playing, reminders, or add stuff to my calendar and whatnot. So yeah, I have access to my charge point, plug share, Spotify. And then when you go into your phone, if I go back into phone here, and if I can get this, let me pick that up there. So if I can go, so I can swipe out of that. And then if I go up to general, and then, sorry, this is all blurry. Where is it at? CarPlay. And then I would, oh my goodness, I have so many MMIs. Traditionally, what you could do, I'm just going to select the first one. And then I can hit customize. And then I can actually delete what apps I want, or I can push and hold and drag up so it will adjust the order in my Apple CarPlay display. And then when you're done, you can just swipe out of that and bada boom, you are good to go. So that is how to connect Apple CarPlay to your car. So if I hit home, there's my Apple CarPlay. I can always push and hold it. And I can also drag it to my sidebar as well if I want easier access. I always like to put it on the left-hand side just so I can go between radio and CarPlay or phone, or you won't have to worry about phone, but navigation there. Okay? So hopefully this video is helpful, and this will help you get set up on your Apple CarPlay and customize it a little bit more. Stay tuned for how to switch between two Apple CarPlay devices in the car at the same time, and that tech showdown I have coming for you. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.